In this video, I will show you how to pay with Revolut on SHEIN. So to do this, simply go and open up the SHEIN app or website, and from there just add to your cart whatever you want to buy using Revolut, and then just go to your cart and click Checkout Now. Now there are several different payment methods that you can use with Revolut. So first just enter your shipping details right here and then scroll down until you see payment method. Now the first and easiest way is to select credit or debit card, because on Revolut you can really easily create one-time virtual cards, normal virtual cards, or you can order a physical Revolut card, and those are often Visa or MasterCards. So you can just select credit or debit card, and then when you go to the place order section, you will need to pay, and to pay you will then need to enter your card details. To find this on Revolut, just go to open up Revolut, and then in the top right click on the card section, and just go to create or select a card and then show details, and then enter the card details where they ask them. So that's the first thing you can do. What you can also do is add your Revolut card to Google Pay or Apple Pay, and then you can select that, so Google Pay or Apple Pay, as the checkout method on SHEIN, and then you will also be able to use your Revolut card through there. So that's two ways on how to pay with Revolut on SHEIN. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.